All right, guys, now that we've had a little bit of a refresher on how we regroup with tens and ones, we're going to move into adding our numbers with hundreds and regrouping. Okay, so I'm going to take you through this video. We're going to try some things out, and then you and I will work through some problems. Here we go.
You can draw a model and use regrouping to add three-digit numbers. Look at the addition problem and place value models.
I just put this place value model in its place.
Which two numbers are you adding?
Okay, I'm going to pause there so I can show you. Here, they're showing us the traditional algorithm, and they're showing us the place value blocks. So that's going to help us think in our brain. If we need those place value blocks still to help us remember how to regroup, then we should do that. Okay, so here they've drawn out the place value blocks that go with our numbers that we're adding. So you can see if you look in your traditional algorithm right here, remember the numbers are all written across, and we've got our hundreds, tens, and ones. So we have 173 plus 244. Okay, and that's what they've done over here. They've put 173 plus 244.
You are adding 173 and 244. How can you use the place value models to help you find the sum?
All right, so here what we're going to do is we're going to use our place value in order to help us think about regrouping, okay? So we can click on try it. So basically what they did is they took their hundreds, they did 170, and this takes forever, which is why we never did this in class, but they did 100, 7 tens for 70, and then 3 ones for 173. Okay, so now you can see I've added 100, 7 tens makes 70, and then I would do 3 ones, and that would make 173. Then we would go and we would add our next number underneath. We would do 2 hundreds, 4 tens for 40, and 4 ones. Okay?
Find 173 plus 244. First, add the ones. Do you need to regroup the ones? How do you know?
Okay, so remember we only need to regroup if our number is more than 9. Okay, so you guys remember our song that goes like this? If the answer's more than 9, you zoom it up. If the answer's more than 9, you zoom it up. If the answer's more than 9, then you say I'm feeling fine. If the answer's more than 9, you zoom it up. Okay, remember we used to sing that song? So when I add 3 plus 4, I can look over here, 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is 7 more than 9? Nope, so we don't have to zoom anything up.
No, you do not need to regroup the ones. 3 plus 4 is 7, which is less than 10. Then add the tens. Do you need to regroup 10 tens as 100? Why?
Okay, so remember, if the answer is more than 9, we need to zoom it up. So we have 7 plus 4, so we can look at you can either count on your fingers if that's easier for you, but I'm going to look over here at my place value blocks and count my total. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh. So if I tried to put my answer right here, I would get 11. And the number's more than 9, so we need to zoom it up, right? So I'm going to put my 1 up there, just like that, okay? And it's going to go away so we can finish watching. They'll do it for us.
Yes, you need to regroup because there are 11 tens. Regroup 10 tens to make 100. Then add the hundreds. How many groups of hundreds do you need to add?
So what they're asking is how many groups of hundreds, that means how many numbers are you adding in the hundreds column. So what they want you to remember is you have to add that zoomed up number that we just did. So we have to add the 1 plus the 1 plus the 2. Because remember in class, a lot of the time we were forgetting to add our regrouped number. Don't forget to do that.
You need to add 3 groups of hundreds. 100 from 173, 200s from 244, and the 1 regrouped hundred. What is 100 plus 100 plus 200s?
Select your answer.
Oh, our answer's already selected, you guys. It says 400s. That's confusing. So we have 100 plus 100 is 200, plus 2 more is 400.
100 plus 100 plus 200s is 400s. So 173 plus 244 equals 417. Now you know how to use models to add 3-digit numbers.
Nice job, guys. So in our next video, we are going to work on a couple problems together. Then you guys will work on a couple problems on your own, and then you'll be done.